Cafe William is the grand prize winner for the Canadian Retail Council. We're at Cafe Williams launch event for sustainable coffee. This is Megan. How much do you like coffee?
I checked in.
Yeah. She just asked a really funny question.
It only makes sense if you heard what he said before. But basically, Cindy asked if they use the waste from roasting the coffee beans in any other purposes. And he said they take the kind of the skin of the coffee that gets discarded and they grind it up into animal feed that they call chaff, and they feed it to pigs. And I wanted to know if it made the pigs really hyper.
I thought it was hilarious. I was like, gosh.
Well, coffee makes me hyper, so I figured, I'm like, oh my god, are all these pigs running around like wired?
You never know. But
We
now
don't
you
know.
know.
They didn't know either, so we'll have to go to Colombia to find out.
And we have to see some pigs.
Definitely.
Who's this?
I see that like cracker.
What's a mouthful? Which one is this?
Oh, steak. Medium roast.
Amazing.
Oh, did they hear that?
Yeah, let's
Wait,
try
when
again.
the cameras. Wait, no. See, I'm not prepared now. Sorry. Can everyone just hold for 1 second? Can you get in here?
I have my microphone too.
No, you need the mic.
I do.
Hang on,
right?
reset. You need the mic. I can do this properly with you.
Dude, there's
And
a
wait
whole.
for
There's a whole
Hey, wait,
thing.
let me.
Oh, great. Thank you. We'll take it for the video. Thank you. That's good. Do you want one?
I'm good.
Coffee beans. Miniature coffee beans. They're just sesame seeds, really.
Also, you had a sesame seed on your lip the whole time you were talking, and I was like, I don't want to interrupt.
Oh,
on this.
yes.
Oh, actually, too.
Oh, we need to show you this one.